Hello guys, what's up? I'm Surush, designer. In this tutorial I'm going to talk about texture manager in SketchUp. So before we start this tutorial, please like and subscribe us and comment below this video about your experiences about materializing or changing textures in SketchUp. So I'm going to start with the rectangle in here. For example, I draw some type of rectangle like this and extrude it a little bit. For example, this is the floor of something. So I'm going to use the wood material in this place, for example wood floor dark, and set it on my face. As you can see, we have some limited options in here, like the RGB code colors. You can change or adjust them, and the texture size, for example 4.6 or other type of things. And the last option is the opacity. You can change the opacity of your texture or your materials. But in SketchUp we have some option that we call texture, and you can change the position, projection, or edit texture image. For this reason, you must select the face that have these material on it, right click, texture option, and we have position option in here. So when I click on the position option in here, I have 4 items. Item 1 is about the texture movement. As you can see, you can move your texture box like this. Second item is about the scale and shear the texture, something like that, for example, as you can see on the blue axis or the red axis, something like that, like this. Another option is the pitch option. It's related to the rotation of your map. And the last option is the projection option. It distorts your project material and it's not realistic actually. So I'm going to turn it back to the simple mode we have in the past, as you can see. So this is one of the things we have done in the SketchUp with the texture manager. For example, I'm going to draw some type of wall like this and adjust the tile material to it. For example, this tile. Right click, texture, position, and now I want to rotate this material a little bit like this. Very simple and easy. You can do these jobs and it's really useful in your renderings. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, don't forget it. Please subscribe my channel for more free tutorials. Have a nice and goodbye.